Hey Adventure Gang, we are at the base of the trail for Twin Falls in Smithers, and we're just about to head up and go check out the view.
Yeah, it's been one of our favorite things to do when we lived here, so we're excited to go back and reminisce.
All right, see you up there, guys.
There are a lot of bugs out today.
Hey Adventure Gang, we just completed our hike up to the top of Twin Falls, and man, it is just as beautiful as we remember it. Jessica took a bunch of pictures, I got to fly my drones, and that was exhilarating, so much fun. Jessica, what do you think?
I loved it. It's a short hike, but we could spend hours up here just droning and photographing.
Nice. All right guys, we'll catch you at the next stop.